Okay, class. Okay, this question is from Catholic High 2024 Essay 2, Paper 2, Question 10. Okay? Let's have a look. This is obviously a speed question. Okay? Elliot and Fred started jogging at the same time from point P to point R along 9,000 meters. Route as shown, as they've very nicely given you the model. They've drawn the model for you. After 40 minutes, Fred was at halfway point Q, and Elliot was at a distance behind Fred. So, we know Elliot was somewhere here. Fred reached point R, the finishing point, 10 minutes before Elliot. Both did not change their speeds throughout. What was the distance between Elliot and Fred when Fred was at point Q? So they're trying to ask you, what is this distance, right? Okay? Okay. Now, if the whole route is 9,000 meters and this is the halfway point, how much is this? This is 4,500 meters, right? 9,000 meters divided by 2, you get 4,500 meters. Okay? And Fred reached halfway point in 40 minutes. Okay, so 40 minutes. Both did not change their speeds throughout. This sentence is very important. Both did not change their speeds throughout. Which means, how long is Fred going to complete the rest of the journey? Another 40 minutes, right? They did not change their speeds throughout. So another 40 minutes. Okay? Now, Fred reached point R 10 minutes before Elliot. So, in other words, Elliot reached here another 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, right? So, Elliot took 40 minutes, and 10 minutes. Okay. Fred took, in total, how long? 40 minutes. Plus 40 minutes equals to 80 minutes, right? Elliot took how much? How long? 80 minutes. Arrived 10 minutes later. So in total, it took 90 minutes. Okay? This is Elliot's time. Okay? So the distance is 9,000 meters. Distance equals to 9,000 meters. Don't forget what I taught you. Very easy. Okay? I repeat again and again, okay? You need to know this all the way up to Sec 4. The speed triangle. Okay? You have distance on top. You have speed and time. Speed times time give you distance. Distance divided by time give you speed. Distance divided by speed give you time. Okay? So, you have, in this case, for Elliot, you have Elliot's distance, which is this. You have Elliot's time, which is this. Can you find a speed? You can. Okay? Elliot's speed is 9,000 meters divided by 90 minutes. Very easy. Cancel. 9 divided by 9. 1, 1, 1. How many zeros left? 2. So, 100 meters per minute. This is Elliot's speed. Okay? No. If this is Elliot's speed, and we know that they both started at the same time, okay? But Fred has a faster speed, right? So, after 40 minutes, Fred is here. After 40 minutes, Fred is here. But Elliot is here. Can we find out how far Elliot ran in the 40 minutes when we know the speed? Yes, we can. Okay? Since it's 100 meters per minute times 40 minutes equals to, very easy, 1 times 4, 4. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3. 4,000 meters. Okay? And we know that by 40 minutes, Fred ran 4,500 meters. So what is the distance here? Very simple. 4,500 minus 4,000 equals to 500 meters.